Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to jump on here really quick and show you guys a couple stocks that I've recently gotten into. Of course, this isn't financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, but just wanted to show you guys some of these charts that are looking pretty interesting to me. First one here is Citigroup. If you guys look at right here um, on the hourly, you can see these little green dots right here. We busted through each one of these resistance levels, and we're now making new highs. We're beyond all of this volume profile over here. As you can see right here, in my previous videos, I talked about how once we get above the last amount of volume profile, the stock could make drastic moves upwards or downwards. Um, so if you look at there's the hourly, the daily, you can just see we've been making new highs. We're above this Ichimoku cloud right here. We're well above the 200-day moving average right here. We're getting close to moving above that volume profile again with Citigroup. And if you guys look at the monthly chart on Citigroup, this is where things get super interesting. You can see we've been consolidating for a very long time. You had this huge gap down right here. And we've been steady consolidating for years. And look at this. Consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. And we just started to break out right here. So if you guys look right, let me show you this really quick. Zoom in here. You can see right about here the price would come up, hit, drop back down. And then once again the price would come up and hit and drop back down. And now it's broke over the previous highs. And you can see up here the next resistance level on the monthly chart is $549. And if you look at the volume profile, let me get some of this off here. If you look at the volume profile, the last amount is right approximately here. And there really isn't a lot of volume profile at all, any volume profile after this. So you could see potentially, I'm hoping and looking for a massive increase in price right here. Now, I'm currently holding 200 call options for Citigroup. They expire on November 21st. They're the $130 calls. So I'm hoping that price makes that drastic move. The chart's looking pretty solid. Our RSI is only at 74.42, so still have a lot of room to potentially move up. Really paying attention to this volume profile, hoping to see a massive move to the upside. So that is Citigroup. And then the other stock that I'm looking at is FUBO. So if you look at the hourly again, let me get this. It's busted above each resistance level. You can see all these dots right here. That's for the hourly. See the price has moved up above each one. The daily chart is looking good. It's trying to make a upward price movement right here. You can see we have this resistance level, which is now support. And the interesting thing here is on the weekly, we had major consolidation, kind of like Citigroup. Another huge drop. It's very similar. Massive consolidation. Huge consolidation. Then we had this little gap up right here. Started consolidating more. Not a ton of volume profile over here. I'm hoping we can get a price word, get the price to move upward towards this Next resistance level of 1069. You can see the RSI down here is at 65, so still have potential to move quite a bit. I'm holding my position is I'm holding 70 FUBO call contracts that expire February 20th, 2026. And I'm in the $7 calls. So hoping to get some big price movements. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later.